Happy Saturday. So we haven't had a cooking video in a long time. Here we are again cooking with Popo. We're gonna make fan kea ao yok min. You can also make fan kea ao yok fan, this camera thing. But if you don't want to add meat, you don't need to. You could just make fan kea and it's like tomato sauce. Mamma mia! Okay. Now we're gonna yip the
ngầu dọc first.
Yeah, but this tastes good. So
I use the front stick.
Okay.
Make against the grain and then the front stick. See, 切一個有 like this. Marinade 佢今晚先至食啊。This one I may use.
Low mean.
Yes. 而家醃嗰啲牛肉先。2 tablespoons 凍水。1, 2。一陣間 make 佢啊 smooth 啲滑啊。
It wastes water. Oh yeah.
Yes. Half teaspoon.
Shit, 1 teaspoon.
Too much 啦 ，1 teaspoon too much 啦。多啲啲啦。
That's 1 teaspoon.
味道，俾多啲都唔緊要。生抽 about half teaspoon. Okay.
You always say half teaspoon is a tablespoon. It is a teaspoon, not a half. Shit, white pepper.
White pepper. Okay. And 俾啲咁多俾嗰啲咩嗰啲 onion powder.
Onion powder.
Yeah, 喺隔離。
Garlic powder.
Garlic powder. 俾啲 garlic powder. Oh, good morning. This is okay.
You got the vampire.
And 糖。Okay. 好啦。
Balance out the flavor.
Right.
I'm keen.
Cornstarch.
Always gotta have cornstarch.
About half teaspoon.
So my fun. Shit.
Half.
They got measurements and stuff. They cook
Now-
boy and then sick measurements. Shit.
Now I mix up all. See, now mix good.
Good job, Papa.
Yeah.
邊個教你整呢啲？
唉，你 learn 咧煮就識㗎啦，housewife
你唔係 housewife，你試做工 right？
又做工啊，又做
And
工
cook，
即係咁嘅。
好辛苦嘅生活。Not like me，做泵頭冇工冇，哎呀，切 I gotta edit that out.
And 而家俾啲咁多油落去啦。
Always add the oil, the
The oil last，有得佢擠翻喺雪櫃，好耐就我嚟煮啦。
How long you eat?
Couple hour, good for.
In the refrigerator?
Yeah, put in the refrigerator.
Okay. How come you sometimes leave the yolk out for marinade?
佢哋即刻煮就呢個 hour，but 我明 I not going cook until 5 o'clock 公煮啫，you know. You cannot leave it out too long.
Shit. So we'll see you in a couple
5
hours.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna cut the tomatoes and everything. I really like this dish, whole ham, whole fragrant. And it tastes really good with lo mein. So they yip 嗰啲牛肉 right?
又係朝頭早佢頭先醃咗啲牛肉啦，係咪？睇下花話邊幫我攞出嚟，等佢冇咁凍 ，OK？然後切番茄啦。
Okay.
番茄啦，個煲滾水6個面，煲滾水，跟住啲麵呀，只有番茄我切成個咁一個。尋晚黑我哋有啲番茄剩啦，咁我咪今日煮埋佢食咗佢咯。你尋晚剩啲番茄嚟啦，陣間撈埋佢煮。
What do you mean 尋晚整嘅番茄？
我尋晚 leftover。
How'd you do it?
Same thing。
How you do it? Che.
咪咁樣就係咁樣煮嘅咯。
How you do it? You gonna explain it?
呢啲咪驚咯，呢啲咪又係驚。
Okay, you made the same exact
Same
thing.
thing 係真係嗱，切咗啲番茄落，倒啲 ketchup 落 ，OK？
Now Light is eating.
撈啦，俾啲咁多 white pepper 啦 ，OK？ garlic powder 啦 ，and 蠔油咯 ，mix 喺呢度呀。我尋日又係咁樣煮啊，一樣咁樣煮啊，OK？你燒啲好啦，唔好咁甜嘅嘢啦。
Your ketchup team.
Yeah, ketchup 有甜啦 ，cornstarch 或者 in case I want onion 咁咯 ，maybe not。
Okay, happy dog.
當下必多，我買咗1個禮拜㗎啦 ，OK？ 唔食得晒一包咁多人，攞把鉸剪剪開佢，剪輕佢就好。咁多嚿啦，然後攞個出嚟 separate 佢，而家落佢黐埋喎，滴嘅底。你咁樣擠落個水度，佢相當佢唔開啊，係嘛？你sometimes they don't open up， 煲住個熱啦嗰件衫啊。炒嗰啲菜食咗佢啦，好嘛？輪到大度啦，炒我哋呢個兩隻啦 ，easy 好快嘅嘢 ，easy。
Shit, 論盡。
Okay， 論盡啦，大火滾啊！ Fresh custard。
幾耐？
知咩啦？第2個鐘啦。
This looks like a Mamma Mia.
Now I rinse, okay?
Why you rinse it in cold water?
你可能塞佢，等佢唔好俾佢焗。
How come you don't do that with 意大利麵？
意大利麵 never， only Chinese。 OK， 俾啲油咯，炒牛肉啦，
炒牛肉先。
又炒牛肉先。
It's hot, 大佬 too hot. The pan's too hot.
要黑啊！炒到啲落去咯，俾我呀。
That's the same thing. Why is it different?
Same thing, same thing.
You add hoyao.
Yeah, same thing.
You add hoyao siao.
Yeah.
How come this one has hotot jup?
This one 尋晚煮佢梗係有汁㗎啦。
So you cook it down, it has jup.
Yes， 先，嗰個有汁。
You added water.
Yeah. 俾落個條先呢啲。
No, come here. You added water, right? Shit, nim oisam moyan jido. Hey, no one knows what you're doing. I don't know what you're doing. No one knows what you're doing.
You see,
See, but you have secrets. There you
no
go.
secret.
Tomato sauce, mamma mia. And the soup, my fun.
你而家咪咁先。
That's it.
Okay.
Mamma mia.
食得㗎啦。
Turn it off.
No， 有嘅。
It's a jar, right? Too hot.
未熱啊。OK， 好新。
Thank you for cooking, Papa. I'm bummed out.
俾一個人。
Can I hold it? You want to hold it?
晒高，就攞一個批嚟啦，呢個俾佢啦，呢個就擠喺度，邊個食開啦？食得。
Thank you. Fanke aoyok min. Thank you, Papa. It's like idali min. I realize I eat majority Italian and Chinese food because that's what I grew up with. But I also enjoy trying new things sometimes. So I'm gonna do more of that going forward and cook more stuff. But this is good. This is like what I would picture getting at a cha chan tang in Hong Kong. I feel like they would have something like this, like Western inspired Chinese food. Anyway, tastes good. I hope everyone's doing well. If you're having a rough day, you know, that's okay. You're not alone. If you want to support me, you can purchase the Papa's Cantonese Essential Cooking Course 9 recipes in the link below. We make char siu, we make steamed fish, we make pai guat, vegetables, our favorite sauces, spices, these sorts of things. It's an ebook with videos that you could watch, so the link below. I also launched some new t-shirts, so I'm shipping all over the world. It's a direct to print ship, so if you order it, it prints and then it ships to you. I don't know if it ships to every country, but most of the countries. Check out the designs. I got the Che design, I got the Mamma Mia. I designed them myself, so you could also buy those too. Anyway, I thank everyone for your support, and have a lovely day, have a lovely night, have a lovely week. Peace. And thank you, Papa, for cooking and showing us another meal. My hair is so bad. It just tastes really good in our opinion with noodles or pasta, okay? Mamma Mia, wish everyone well. Light, come here. Light. 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 Light, come here. Light. Light, come on. Light, come on. It's been snowing all day, so he's afraid. There he comes. Wow, there he is. There you are. Hello, Light.
Okay.
Light's my friend.